floats, we're good. But if it sinks, it's not ready yet. You guys. Okay. It's happening. Not the time to panic, but I need to get all my supplies out. I have other bowls, but they're metal. But I have this big ass bowl. Perfect. Zeroed out. Okay. 100 grams. I'm so excited. I don't like your angle. That's better. Except I'm not wearing a bra. Oh well. 100 grams of starter. Oh, I'm in pounds. Grams. Let me show you what I'm doing here. 88. Get off the spot. 101. Okay. That happened so fast. We're at 101. It's fine. My friend Alyssa sent me these jars specifically for sourdough starter. This bad boy. Shove my whole fist in it. Anyways, 390 grams of water. I need more. And I'm getting my water like directly out of the fridge. This looks gross. 382. 391. What is with me? Now we mix it up. We're gonna add flour. 510 grams. This Costco bag of flour is way too big to lift, so measuring cup. How much did I say again? 510. I have the memory of a goldfish. Should we go 511 just for the sake of it? 511. It's fate. 10 grams of salt. Maybe I should do 11. Let's stir him up. I saw this video of a lady doing it where she kind of mixed in the middle, pulled in the side. Shaggy? Shaggy. I'm going to cover it and let it rest for an hour. It's been an hour. It's time for my first round of stretch and folds. Dip, 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 dip. Reach in. Stretch. And fold. Stretch. I did 4, but some part of me wants to do some more. So let me just do 8. I did way more than she said to do. But it just felt right, you know? I'm gonna cover and let it rest for 30 minutes. Second round of stretch and folds. Dip, dip, dip. Oh, that's good, right? When it's sticking to itself better. Cover it. Cover and rest for 30 more minutes.
What's in there?
Bread!
Where did this come from?
Yes.
Someone gave that to him for Christmas. Keenan.
Garbage?
No, we could donate it. Final round of stretch and folds. This is what we're working with. Whoa. It's very stretchy. Something to add to the list, moisturizing soap. I'm washing my hands so often and my hands are so dry. I hate it. Now we let it rest for 3 to 5 hours and then we'll shape it and put it in the fridge overnight. It's almost been 3 hours. I have everything prepped, but I don't even know if it's gonna be ready yet. So let's find out. I think it has to like... I don't think it's ready. I don't think it's doubled in size. We're gonna look at it again. Okay. There's bubbles, but it's definitely still sticky. I'm not gonna freak out. I'm just gonna go to bed, and then when the baby wakes up again soon, I'll come out and check it again, and then shape it and do whatever I need to do, because it's just so cold. I don't think it's gonna rise. It's midnight. Okay, let's find out. I think at this point it's been 7 hours. Literally like no rise, so maybe I can't tell, so we're just gonna dump it out and go for it. I'm so tired. Come on. This is what we're working with. I'm supposed to do like some folding thing, so let me look at that. Okay. Oh, it's not too sticky, which is good. Flatten it out. I should have worn my glasses. Look all that good. I already put flour in here. It looked better than I thought it would, so we'll find out. Let's make some bread! Before I left, you guys were at a preschool, I preheated the oven to 450 degrees and put my Dutch oven inside. So now, some parchment paper. Check on my bread, which is in the fridge. Ooh, okay. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to set the baby down for this one. Oh, okay. It looks good. Flour. Score? Oh. Uh-oh. I don't know, guys. Oh, wow. There must be a technique to this. Whatever it is, I don't got it. That looks rough. Let's take the Dutch oven out. Stay right there, baby. Got it. Oh, it's hot in there. I've also never used this Dutch oven before. He's in. I almost didn't put these back on. Cover it. Put it in. Scooch the baby. Back, fell beast. Back, fell beast. Don't turn. Oh. He rolled over. It's fine. Now he'll roll back over to get up. 30 minutes. He's in. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to kick you over. You away from the oven. Yes, I just wanted you away from the oven. Timer just went off. Big reveal in 3, 2. Not half bad. Now we're gonna go lid off for 20 minutes. 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! No way. No way. I want to cut it open so bad, but I'm gonna set my timer. It says at least an hour. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. Sounds good. A little burnt on the bottom, but that's okay. It's time to cut them open. Oh, please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Okay. I think that's pretty good. If not, a little gummy maybe. I don't know. There's a lot of holes in it. It smells good.
Yeah. Bread.
It's bread.
I want to eat it right now.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Bread.
I just cut myself. I'm too excited. Gee, dang it. Let's try that again. Keep my fingers out of the way.
Yum.
You like it?
Mhm.
It's yummy?
Uh-huh.
Yay.